Hello guys, and welcome to our video lecture number 3. In this lecture we will be learning life cycle of an applet. Basically an applet consists of 5 steps or 5 methods. So firstly we'll learn this diagram. So these 5 methods are init method. So first is init method, the next is start method, then third is pent method, and start and destroy is considered as stop is considered as fourth method, and destroy is considered as a fifth method of an applet life cycle. So one by one we will see. So here is some content based on this life cycle methods. This can be used to write in your paper for theory purpose, and this diagram is for your understanding purpose. So firstly we'll understand full concept of applet life cycle within this diagram, and then we'll be discussing these points. So firstly born, running, idle and dead, these are the 5 stages of an applet life cycle. Means जब init method call होती है, then the applet goes to the born state, then the applet starts and then it goes to the running state. Means from here when applet gets initialized, then it goes to born stage, and when the applet starts, then it goes to the running state. And from running state in running state, if it has a pent method, then it will keep running and pent all the code which is present in the pent method. Means it will execute all the shapes or whatever code we have included in the pent method. Then if in between the applet stops, then it will go in the ideal stage and wait for calling that method. Means ये जब हमारी जो रनिंग स्टेज से जब वो आइडियल स्टेज में जाएगा, वो वेट करेगा कि कब मुझे मेरी पेंट स्टार्ट मेथड कॉल होगी और कब मैं फिर से रनिंग मेथड में जाके वो सब कुछ पेंट कर सकता हूँ. सो देन फ्रॉम रनिंग when the stop method is called, it will go in ideal stage, and from ideal stage when the start method is called, again from ideal it will go to running stage by calling start method. Now at last if our work is done, then we need to close the applet. Then destroy method is called, that is step 5, and it will go to the dead stage. Now let's see when these methods are called. So पहले init method में हम initialization करते हैं, और जब हम हमारा applet run करते हैं, then it goes to start state, and then the start method is called and then it goes to the running state, and pent method is called. So when we want to when our work is done, then stop method is called and destroyed, the applet is destroyed. So basically the stop method is called when we minimize the applet, and means for example we are painting an applet, and in between, for example, I minimize the window of my applet, then it goes to the stop state, that is ideal stage, and again if I maximize the window, then it again calls the start method and goes into a running stage. So this is the life cycle of applet. As you can see, init method. The init method is the first method to run that initializes the applet. Then the start method contains the actual code. As I said, it contains the actual code of the applet and starts the applet. It is invoked immediately after the init method is invoked. Then stop. The stop method stops the execution of the applet. The stop method is invoked whenever the applet is stopped, minimized, or moving from one tab to another in the browser. The stop method is invoked, as I have already explained you earlier. Now coming to destroy method. The destroy method destroys the applet after its work is done. It is invoked when the applet window is closed or when the tab containing the web page is closed. Means when you click on the cross button which is there on your applet, then the destroy method is called. Means when the work is done, automatically destroy method is called, or whenever you click on that cross button, the destroy method is called. Now coming to the pend method, the pend method belongs to the graphic class in Java. It is used to draw shapes like circle, square, trapezium, etc. in the applet. So this is the sequence of applet. As you can see, first is init method, then start method is called, then after start pend is called, then after pend stop is called, and after stop the destroy method is called. Destroy method is called. Actually I have wrote here downside, but the screen is not visible, so here destroy method is called destroyed. My handwriting is not really good. Destroyed, hope you understand. Fifth method is destroyed, E and D. So fifth method is destroyed. So this is the fifth method. Now if you like my channel, like, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates of my new videos. In the next lecture we will be learning about the actual code of this applet life cycle. Means I will be executing the code to explain all these points, that all these methods, start point and all these stages, in the next video by doing a practical program based on these concepts. So thank you.